Hi and welcome back to Veganisyum. Today I'll be making this delicious apple cinnamon 1 pan 10 minutes cake. Yes, that's the full name. I hope you like it. I'm going to peel 1.5 apples. Why 1.5? Because that's what I had. You can use 1 or 2 apples depending on how big they are. I always challenge myself to peel things continuously without breaking the peel. This usually happens with apples, oranges, potatoes, anything that needs peeling. The skin is disposed of sustainably into the bio-garbage, aka my mouth. And I'll cut the apples into slices that are about this thick. Now we need a pan that can go both on a stove top and in the oven. So a stainless steel or cast iron pan should be fine. I'm using this cheap stainless steel IKEA non-stick pan, and it worked quite fine. On medium to low heat, I'll add about 30 grams of vegan butter and 3 tablespoons of sugar. Sprinkle some cinnamon and 1 star anise in the middle. Once the butter is melted, I'll arrange the apple slices in the pan, cover it and lower the heat. While the apples are softening, we'll make the cake batter. But first, remember to heat the oven to 180 degrees so it's ready once the batter is done. To make the batter, I'll first mix the dry ingredients. 2 cups of flour, 3/4 a cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of vanilla sugar. If you have vanilla powder or vanilla extract, use 1 teaspoon. And it goes without saying that if the vanilla extract is a liquid, then add it later with the wet ingredients. Then add baking powder and baking soda, a dash of salt, about half a teaspoon, and give it a quick mix. Then for the wet ingredients, vinegar, oil and oat milk. The ingredients should be on the screen and on Veganisyum website. I'll leave a link in the description, and you can find all other written recipes there as well. I'm sure it's annoying to remind people in every video to subscribe to the channel, so I'm not going to do that. Don't even help me upgrade my camera by joining my Patreon. Back to the apples. They are now soft and the sugar caramelized beautifully. It might look dark and burnt, but that's just the cinnamon. I'll add the batter starting from the outer edge and working my way in. That way the apples stay in the center. Now I'll turn off the heat and transfer the pan to the oven. I know the thumbnail says 10 minutes.
It was all a lie. Guys, it was all a lie.
Well, the actual work takes 10 minutes. Then it should take about 30 minutes in the oven or until the top has a brown color. But you don't have to sit and wait for it, so it doesn't count. Once done, I'll take it out and immediately flip it into a plate.
Surprise,
I want the cinnamon caramel to steep into the cake and make it even more delicious. The acidity of the apples, sweetness of the caramel, and coziness of the cinnamon and star anise makes this the perfect dessert for the holidays, or even as a quick dessert to eat it with some tea. I recommend leaving the cake to cool down before cutting it. And that's it, quick and simple, but really delicious. If you reached this far into the video, leave a comment and tell me your favorite holiday dessert. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.